Really can't see the lace as well.
She even now showed us small snippets. She just gave us, okay.
Gvlden Shakur. That's how I say it. It's Gvlden Shakur.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gvlden Shakur, yeah. And I'm back on another video. Yeah.
Need some old school love. Wish you had a switch that you could hit, let her know what you with. You got a fella that you want. Need some old school love.
So today's video is going to be slightly different. As I said to you guys, when it comes to hair promo videos for YouTube, I'm going to try and make it fun and creative. Because no one wants to sit down and just watch me just install hair. It's boring. So we're bringing the topic of men thinking that they know everything about hair, about makeup. So I'm bringing all the Mandem to explain the process of getting your hair done. Anyways guys, before we get into this video, please like and please subscribe to my channel. I just want to publicly say thank you for 17k, now it's 17.2. The family is growing, yeah. And yeah, just please like the video because it helps. You can just support us, yeah.
Wagwan. My name's AZARIAH. I'm just a regular guy that occasionally makes noise on Twitter.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZF, aka AZARIAH24S. For those that don't know me, I got my own YouTube channel as well, AZARIAH24S. Come subscribe to me, we lit around those. I don't know nothing about hair, but we about to be lit regardless, you know what I mean?
Yo guys, your boy NK. I'm here to do Gvlden Shakur. That's how I say it. It's Gvlden Shakur. Voiceover or whatever, innit? So right now we're just getting in there. She's just promoting her brand and that. Big up CEO and that. Where you make sure you subscribe.
She, what is that, bro? And listen, Gvlden Shakur, you look good though, I can't lie. You look, gas her in the comments, tell her she looks good. Yeah, she's using a comb to create a megatone effect.
Speed hair, laying down the hair. Surely this one is too tight. Okay.
Trying to find where the hair actually begins, innit? So now you can't be having big five foreheads and that. Don't work, you feel me?
Like a safety net of some sort. You guys like to be placing in the front of your...
What you gotta do with the scissors is create a wave effect, because without the wave effect creates a deficit within the hairline.
Back in year 5, she's adding PVC glue to the hair. Was even
I didn't know you guys go to all this trouble for this one.
The blow dryer to dry the glue that she's applied to stick the wig on, innit?
a couple tribal marks with the PVC.
Bro, why do girls do that? Even when girls put cream on, yeah? Sorry, I'm flipping, diving away from the topic, yeah? But why do they put it in their forehead, the side of their cheeks, and then the bottom of them? Just put it in your hand and rub it on your face, surely.
Kenny, you can fix your face. You don't always have to be so serious.
The way she pulled that hair forward, she pulled it with force, she pulled it with conviction as well, fam. She's just on her phone. I don't know what she's doing on her phone, probably talking to the next man and that, but ooh, they've done it. I can still see a bit of lace, but obviously that's why she's doing her edges and
doing her ting though. Wow. Whoever's doing this for her, well done. As you can see, they're blow drying it for the 55th time, yeah.
How many layers of this net do you want to put, fam? Like, what the hell is this? Girls, go through trouble, though. Kenny just smiled. Kenny is beautiful, isn't it? Like,
Hey, what going for her now, bro? Why is her hair in her face? That's why girls say, hey, lace wear, lace wear.
I know you girls doing the edges and that, you man just to hide the lace pattern and all of that. So now she used a toothbrush. Very unhygienic and that in this corona time.
like low-key, like, fam, she legs style, like, natural, all of that, like, look at her, like,
The hell, she got a toothbrush? Oh, it's not a toothbrush.
And he's just blinking about 500 times.
Oh, she doing the edges.
Swoop! So what?
Using the little strands to give her that baby hair kind of look, kind of pattern, you know what I'm saying? I know you guys been doing that recently as well.
Just, always. She will now show us small snippets. She just gave us, okay.
Nowadays, she's looking like some next up Wolverine Storm kind of girl. Same PVC glued up comb. She's now using it to separate the hair.
Candy. Looking sweet, baby.
Hot comb makes it straighter.
Comb. Is that what you guys call it, hot comb?
You can tell Gvlden Shakur, she's kind of sad, she's kind of upset that she's using that same comb that she used to stick on glue. She didn't even clean it.
Now, this magic that you guys put, this band.
Here comes the headband. You girls that be wearing the headband because your edges ain't even patterned and that. So this girl, she got tired of doing her edges. Was best smiling and that. I don't know why you're smiling when you're looking at Pocahontas and that.
Whoa, why has she got a flipping razor? Whoa.
My name, boy, hi. Ha 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 ha. So funny. What? SB cuts.
Gonna give her a fade or something. The raise, fam, are you dumb? Man, use the razor, what? Bare hunting, level hair.
Oh no, she didn't. My man got out the clipper. Nah, man, she's violating, man. That's a word, you know, Barbara. And even the way you're even cutting the hair is incorrect and that.
Damn, fam, she's cold. Now she's using scissors to the other side to create the benefit of.
The skills are, they're not even beginner, they're amateur, you understand? Edges still look a bit, got a bit of work. She had to slap some disinfectant in her
Why did you just say this before it's a ball? You're looking like head now.
hair, because we don't know where that hair came from. It could be Brazil, Uganda, we don't know where it came from. She had to just spray some small disinfectant.
Irony, see how you have just magic David Blaine.
I don't know why, but Gvlden Shakur's skin kind of glowing and that today. I don't know what she done, I don't know who she been talking to and that, but she's just glowing today.
I think you can smile. I was you. I've told you.
Right now she looks like a masquerade, but we move.
The precision and the chicken.
Right now, just looks like just bedhead. You know what I'm saying? Like when you wake up.
And she's laying. How many times you guys gonna lay? No lele. Would you ever shita? Ask my sister. I'm joking.
Why do girls do that shit as well, bro? You think that's cool? Stiff weave wear. Lie, man. I guarantee, yeah, she's gonna do that stiff weave thing as well, because I can see it. I can see that her hair's all flowing, so she's gonna be shaking her hair soon. Watch. Bro, just look at the fine detail this hairstylist has put in. She truly loves you, man. I can't even lie. Nah, I fully can't see the lace as well, so now I understand why you girls say that shit still.
SB, you better not. Make sure it's even. True said the Nkldn can actually rock any look. The bob, the swoop, a ponytail. If she wants to get a skin fade on wave, she can pattern that too. Like, Nkldn has actually got that pattern. No cap.
This is what I said, she's a bit B-tech because she still missed some parts in the front that she needs to now.
Nah, SV should just be cutting people's hair. Like, Mandem said, you can give me a trim. Because this is too gara, fam.
She didn't use no rule or anything, just jubs in it.
The outcome's gonna be spectacular. Nkldn, if you don't find a wife at it. Hey, wife care. Oh, mess up. I jammed. Charlie. Ah, look at the finish, look.
Hey, that's the finished product. Finished product is looking kinda cute and that. But that's NK out.
Yeah, I'm going up again. Nkldn, you look so good in this video. Well done.
Your boys are deaf, and we out.
Can we just look at this hair though? My good sis Samantha SB hair on the gram. Best follow, yeah. She installed this hair for me. Sophisticated, grown vibes, yeah. Because I'm 22 in a month and a bit. So I just feel. So I got my good friend AZARIAH. Probably know him on Twitter. Then I've got Zion. I've worked with him before. And I like his vibe. And I was just like, let's just add Zion because I done his voiceover when he done his hair. And then we've got NK. So NK, he's starting a YouTube channel soon. I hope so because the guy will be lit on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not even gonna front. I'm gonna find out if boys actually know a lot about female stuff because just chat so much shit, you know? So this hair was actually sponsored by Issee Hair Princess series. They kindly sent over this beautiful unit. So this unit was originally 14 inches. Let me just get my phone so I don't forget anything because my memory is pretty shocking, like bad. So anyways, I know this hair was 14 inches bob because I already had a bob already, but I was just like, let me try a side part bob. And my good sis Samantha did that. She did her packaging looks like. I love Issee Hair. Issee Hair sells the best hair. Like, it's so thick, so dark, the lace is amazing. Even my hairstylist said that this hair is amazing. I'm even gonna put her input. She was the one that installed this hair, so it's only right for her to give her opinion about the hair. Yeah, So this looks like this. The package is just so pretty, and it came in this bag. Obviously it's Brazilian hair and it's 180 days. That's why it's so thick and full, and I just love it. Look at the cut though. Edna. It comes with lashes, and these are not the ugly lashes that you get when you get hair sent. These are nice lashes. Like, the packaging is so pretty. So this looks like that. So it's nice lashes. Not something I would go for, but it's something that, you know, you could just put in your bag, and if anything happens and you don't have no lashes, then you have lashes just there lying around. Package is really pretty though. Comes with this, which is so handy when laying down your lace, which is very good, and I like that. And obviously it comes with another pair of lashes, which are just normal natural lashes. I don't have really much to say about this hair, but I just do really genuinely love Issee hair. Like, one bad thing about this hair is that this actual wig was too small for me, but luckily my hairstylist came through. Thank you, Samantha, yeah, for helping me, because I have a big head. It looks like I don't, but I do. So literally the side to side frontal, this is a 13x4, it didn't fit, so this part was actually up here. So what she had to do was she had to actually cut the lace so that it can. So I'm just gonna end this video. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I have many more hair review videos that are gonna be so much fun and just funny to watch. So yeah, thank you for this. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Excuse my nails. Bye. Just chat so much heat, you know. So we're gonna see at the end of this video who actually knows a lot about hair. And yeah, I hope this video is entertaining for you lot. Bye.